Hello guys and welcome to the new video of your Python and API development course. In this video, we will be solving our day 11's exercise. So let's get into it. What is our exercise? Define a post request and we need a body in it which has name, age, principal amount, duration and bank name. And then depending on the bank name, we have to define a dictionary containing bank name and their interest rates different for different banks. Okay, on the basis of the name of the bank, we need to calculate total simple interest and total amount to be paid. And we have to return in the form that what is the total amount to be paid and what is the interest. Okay, so let's get into it. Before defining any post request, we need to first define its JSON class or base model class. So we will define the class for this. So it's a class for interest. So I'll write class interest base model. Then what else we need? We need name. Name, it will be string. Then age, it will be integer. Principal amount, it would be float. Duration. So duration will be in years, right? So it will be integer, but let's take it as a float for better calculations like 1.5 years or 2.5 years, 5.5 years. But generally, whenever we have a interest calculation, duration is an integer. Bank name. And let's just say it as string. So yeah, I have defined my interest class. Now I need to define my post request endpoint for my post request. So what I'll do is just write app dot post. Now I'm calculating interest, so calculate right. And asynchronous function, async tab, and I would say interest. Then what I need is my JSON body. So let's just name it JSON and which class I need to inherit. Right. Now what I can do is to not confuse anything. My function name is the same, so I'll write here calc interest. Now we will get our interest. What we need to do is first we need to define a dictionary for different bank names. I'll take 3 bank, right? So let's just say first I'm taking Bank of India, so BOI. Let's say the interest rate is 7.5. Then I can say SBI. Let's say the interest rate is 6.9. Then I can say Axis Bank, so Axis B. And let's say the interest rate is, it's a private bank, so let's just say 0.0. Okay. So this is my dictionary. I'll name my dictionary as bank interest. Okay. So I have my dictionary. I've defined my dictionary. Now what I can do? Okay, what's the comma? Yeah. So I've defined my dictionary. Now it's good. Now I need to calculate the total amount and interest, right? So what is the formula for simple interest? It's principal amount into time into interest. Uh, Total amount multiplied by duration multiplied by interest, and then I'll say the total amount will be principal amount plus the interest. So let's just return that. Return. What I need to return in total is, I'll not be calculating, I'll calculating my simple interest. SI is equals to JSON dot principal amount. So JSON dot principal amount multiplied by duration, right? Multiplied by the interest. So we will get the interest from this dictionary. How? From the bank name. So it would be multiplied by bank interest, and we need to extract the key, which will be bank name, JSON dot bank name, right? I will get the bank name from my JSON, and then I can get the exact interest rate from here. Now it should be divided by 100 because these are in percentage. All this by 100, right? So okay, my JSON dot duration I need. Yeah. So here I'll get my simple interest. Now total would be principal amount, JSON dot principal amount plus my simple interest, and my, what else I need? I need interest, right? So my interest will be my simple interest, right? Well, save this. Then I'll run my virtual environment, activate my virtual environment. Then I'll run my server, and I'll go to my documentation to verify my logic or my endpoint. So the server startup is complete. So I'll write my local host 8000. Now let's just go to our documentation. Here it is calculating interest. Let's just try it out. Name, my name. Um, it's the 20 amount. Let's just go 1000 rupees. Duration will be of 1 year. And my bank would be, let's say, Axis Bank. Axis Bank. So now 1000, what is my interest rate? 8. So 8% of 1000 would be around, yeah, 80 rupees. And so my total amount would be 1080, and my interest would be 80. Let's see, let's just verify this. Execute this. Total is 1080, my interest is 80. But now let's make it a bit more working. What if someone writes, someone is in, let's say, Bank of Baroda, then they will write BOB. How to tackle that? You will say try, okay, and this. Or maybe I can say if JSON dot bank name not in bank interest dot keys not in, then it can return cannot calculate for this bank. Else it will calculate. Right? So let's just go here and then write BOB, Bank of Baroda, and execute this. So it's giving me internal server. What is the error? Tribute bank name. Okay, so I've written JSON 2 times here. Alright. Should be. Now if I execute this, right, so it cannot calculate for this bank. So I hope you guys understood the exercise.